This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by organizing your 1,000 photos into clear folders so uploads can run in parallel. Pick a grouping that matches how recipients will browse. Once done, choose one delivery method, shared cloud album, direct share link, or an FTP/S3 bucket, based on recipient tech skill and security needs. Then create compressed archives if you want fewer files. Use ZIP64 or 7Z for large sets. Finally, prepare account credentials and enable two-step auth to prevent interruptions. You now upload using a multi-threaded client or official desktop sync app, which reduces failed transfers. Start with 3-6 parallel threads and monitor speeds. Once files begin arriving, set album permissions immediately, choose view-only links for broad access, passwords for privacy, or invite-only for controlled sharing. Make sure to add metadata and batch captions while uploads queue, because tagging now saves time later. If upload stalls, pause other network-heavy tasks and resume the client. Checkpoints keep progress safe. You finish by generating the share link or inviting the group. Write a clear message with instructions for download, preferred order, and any passwords. Once sent, verify access yourself in an incognito window and ask one recipient to confirm they can view and download several random photos. Make a final backup on a secondary cloud or external drive before removing local edits. If recipients report missing files, check folder permissions and rerun selective sync. Re-upload only the failed archives to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.